Hi folks, this is Venkatesh Joshi. Today we are going to discuss the topic of learn about the basics of tables and create simple two-dimensional tables and format tables, create tables with complex structures. And we will first see the introduction to tables. Tables are grids made up of rows and columns. The intersection of row and column is called a cell. A table can contain text, additional markup, other table images, and just about anything else. Tables are block level elements. Basic table tags. The table tag is the outermost tag and marks the table. The deprecated border attribute defines the width of the border surrounding the table. The tr tag appears inside the table tag and marks a table row. The td tag appears inside the tr tag and marks the table data or a cell. Then the basic table tags example. Create a table with a 2 pixel border. Table border tr column 1 and column 2, and in column we enter the data, and the data 1 is entered in column 1 and data 2 is entered in column 2 here, and this is the code for creating a table with column 1 and column 2. Next we will see the output of the program. uh, as you can see, column 1, column 2, data 1 and data 2. Data 1 is present in column 1 and data 2 is present in column 2. So this is the output what we get from this code. So then next we can see the tables, captions and headers. The caption element appears as a child of a table and contains the table's title. The caption appears just above the table itself. The ts element is similar to the tr element but contains the table's header. The header is typically emphasized. Tables, caption and headers as an example. As you can see the code here, table border is equal to 2, and we are we are taking example as a monthly savings. So monthly, month and savings are the two columns, and we take January, February, March as a rows, and we enter the savings of that particular month. So in January we have savings $100, and in February $100, and in March also we have $100 as the savings. So this is the output what we get from this code. So moving to next, we are having tables in grouping. The head, foot, and body tags are used to group table paths, header, footer, and body. Note that foot must appear after body. It is used for dynamic table scrolling, which most browsers do not yet support. These are also logical semantics rather than physical elements. Tables with attributes. The border attribute defines the thickness of the table's border. Value is measured in pixels. The cell padding attribute defines the number of pixels from the cell wall to the cell content. The cell spacing attribute defines the number of pixels between cells. We typically do this with CSS, but we have not discussed CSS yet. Column next, moving to the next topic, we have the column and cell attribute. Align, justify the text within the columns, left, right, and center. Width, the width of the column. Use relative or uh, attribute width. Width 25% means 25% of the table. Width 100 px means 100 pixels. And the next comes the vertical alignments. Align means vertical alignment. Value, top, middle, bottom, and baseline, supported by tables too. And the next topic is table columns. The col tag appears as a child of the table or call group tag and describes formatting for the entire column. It's often easier than formatting individual rows or cells. The call group tag is used to apply formatting to several columns. Table columns example. Center the data in the first column and right justify the second column. As we can see the programming example, table border 1, then column aligned to center and column aligned to right. Next topic is cell spanning. Some tables have cells that should span multiple rows and columns. Row span attribute is used to create a cell that spans multiple rows. Col span attribute is used to create a cell that spans multiple columns. For cell spanning, example is here, as you can see. So next topic is table formatting and CSS. We have not discussed CSS yet, but I want to mention it here. Everything is a box in the eyes of CSS. A table is a box. A table row is a box. A table cell is a box. A nested table is just under a box. Table formatting conflicts. Cell formatting overrides row formatting, and row formatting overrides table formatting. So for today's topic, this is enough. So if you thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye.